Welcome to Ngoboton Ten Shop Eye channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Hey, tada. This is Ngoboton Ten Shop Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Devon City 0. My brother, how's it?
I'm good, Edwin.
Good, man. Your take on the game today?
Yeah, as a Orlando Pirates fan, let me say I'm not happy about the result, but as a football fan, I'm happy about the result. Let me go straight to the Kaizer Chiefs team. Mr. Ngobo, I think there's a problem with coaches. Let me say coaches, because it's two coaches. There's a problem there. Why I'm saying so? I always saying the same thing, that why can't they put Lelepo as a number 9?
Number 9,
Just Lelepo alone.
Just to stick there.
Just to stick there. Like now, I was speaking with my friend, Mr. Adam, Leslie Adams. We came from Eldos together. So I was saying, Mr. Adam, why can't you put Lelepo there as a number 9? You will get something. Immediate, not even 10 minutes after that, the Lelepo was there, scored the goal. As a what? As a number 9.
As number 9, exactly.
And again, I'm asking the same another question to coaches. Why are you benching Velepai?
Velepai, exactly,
Let's just compare Velepai and Dupreez, because they put Dupreez as a winger today, and I was surprised that what is it? How can you leave Velepai on the bench and then put Dupreez? Immediately they put Dupreez, there was a change. Exactly. And again, if you check that change, it happened against the Soto Derby. After they put the Velepai was there with that energy. Kaizer Chiefs is that attacking team that we know that we rely on attacking wings. Now Velepai can give you something like that. Exactly, but again, if you check, mostly they always use Velepai as a I think they want to change Velepai as a super sub.
Super sub, exactly.
But now it doesn't help them. If you check this game, I would just say Devon City, they are in good form. I was expecting like it's going to be a goals.
Exactly.
I was expecting goals, for them. That okay.
They woke up at the end.
Exactly. It was already 1-0.
Exactly,
So I was expecting like it's going to be goals when I'm coming in. Said I'm going to enjoy the game. It's going to be the goals. But now the way I checked, said first 15 minutes, Kaizer was on top of them. Then again said, okay, this is the right time now to introduce before the second half. Introduce Velepai, because now you can see that the Dupreez doesn't give you that quality that you want, doesn't give you that force that you want there in front, that okay, let me attack. And again, let me go to individuals of Kaizer Chiefs players. Now you know that your team is under pressure. First of all, your team, before it comes to you, first of all, it's a team, it's a page, is under the pressure. And it's your management, they're under the pressure. It's your coaches, technical team, under pressure. Now you need that individual brilliant. Like I said yesterday, that sometimes you need that player that's going to take the team. Let me take the team. Let me receive the ball. Let me just go there. Now, when I check the individual players of Kaizer Chiefs, they were delaying. Instead of holding the ball, sometimes they're doing the opposite, just release fast. Instead of releasing the ball fast, you are holding the ball. This is what I notice about also. And I just said, if Velepai started the game, I think we're going to have more than 2 goals,
exactly,
more than 3 goals, because Velepai and Villakas also. And I said,
pushing,
and I was scared about Villakas and Tutusha. I said, these guys are coming from injured. We had that, because we had the rumors that they are misbehaving, but now we got the right thing that no, they are injured. So now we got that they are injured, but now why are you using them? And again, that's why I'm saying I have a problem with Kaizer Chiefs coaches. They always use the players like Kunika and who's this another center back, Miguel. Even Kunika played with the injured today, like they did with Miguel last game or what, where he played with the injured or he was not there, because I remember there was a game that he played with the injured, because he got injured during a Soto Derby. Then again they use him while he's injured. Make plain, and I don't think he couldn't finish that game. Then they use another player that come from injured. I think was out for maybe more than 3 months out. I forgot that.
He's injured also.
He was injured. He couldn't even finish the game. That player. Shinga. It was Shinga. He couldn't even finish the game. Now, I was asking myself, as a coach, don't you have... I know that Kaizer Chiefs fans, they don't have players, quality players. But as a coach, you need also to protect your players. Let me say, I know I'm going to need you on that game and that game. Let me just save you. Let me just try to put you... There's a games that we know that Kaizer Chiefs is not that in performance. But now, you need to analyze the game. That this game we don't need that Quinica too much. We don't need Miguel too much.
Yeah.
Let me just try to use someone else. That now let me warm up Miguel for that big game that is coming.
Yeah,
like
let's wrap it up, course. Yeah.
yeah.
All right.
Now for lastly, let me just go to the Durban City.
Yeah.
Durban City, I think they just let this at least a point. They were supposed to get a point here,
Exactly, yeah,
but
yeah.
now it happened that it was the gods of football were not on their side.
Exactly.
And lastly, let me go to Hugo Broos.
Yeah.
Hugo Broos, I think I'm not happy about the national coach. Let me just say so.
Yeah.
I'm not happy. And again, I'm not saying if we can support Kaizer Chiefs. Now, I know that I'm Orlando Pirates fan, but I believe that if our Soweto Giants team, they can perform well. I think our national team can also perform well. I don't believe that this thing that if Sundowns is performing well, then national, I don't believe in such thing. Because if you can check now our national coach, he said I can't select players that can't play regularly in their team. I can't select players with this age. There's certain players, there's certain players like Obo Murena from Sundown. They're not that regularly. There's a lot of players that
Lodge is irregular, but it's not in the squad.
Now you can use your personal thing emsebenzini.
Exactly.
Awukwazi ukwenza lona. So susubu personal bakho zisiplayer izobenefita in ama South African in national team. So ucoach like isafa kumele bayijonge lento ukuthi okay guys, ikhona this coach because now I don't think these players are selecting ngoku we can go compete with them we World Cup. There's no way, because I thought maybe now is going to call all the players as strong cream, that we trusted them, that this is our cream that we have in South Africa. No one can like play more like these players. Let me warm these players because we have only two friendly game. So Mr. Ngobo, let me just finish the
Thank you so much, my brother.